Welcome back, guys. Cryptos are financial assets very popular these days, but what do you think if I tell you that even central banks are thinking about having their own cryptocurrencies? Let's start with cryptos in general. Cryptos are a digital financial assets and they are private. There is no central bank behind them. Let's make a difference between classic cryptos and stablecoins. Classic cryptos are financial assets based on emotions. Just because they have no value, there are no collaterals behind these cryptos, so emotions of investors make their prices to go up or down. Stablecoins, on the other hand, have financial assets as collaterals. Basically, having financial assets as dollars, gold, or other financial assets make them more stable, or at least private companies say so. The problem with cryptos in general is that they are not regulated and they are private. Cryptos are becoming a new way to make payments and the central banks are aware of it. The point is, central banks are afraid to lose their controlling power when it comes to money. Just because private companies are accepting ordinary cryptos and stablecoins as payment. So central banks all over the world are doing researches. They are thinking about creating their own stablecoin managed by them. Some countries are thinking about replacing the current currency with a new, only digital currency. Other central banks are thinking about not to replace cash, but to create a new financial asset, so a central bank digital currency. Honestly, I understand the fear to lose control for central banks, but this is the price to pay for having freedom in economy. Honestly, I think that there are three scenarios to consider it when it comes to stable coins and in general cryptos as payment, as a form of payment. If countries impose by law no stable coins and in general no cryptos as payment, that can cause a drop of prices of all cryptos that for sure will trigger a recession. If central banks do not create their own digital currency, private companies will continue to adopt cryptos as payment, but cryptos are risky financial assets. And when you deal with risky financial assets, when things start to go bad again, that can trigger a recession. If central banks create their own stablecoin, it's better for them. Companies probably will adopt this digital currency for payment. Central banks will not lose their controlling power, and that will not trigger a destruction of other cryptos. But of course, a fall in prices of cryptos in general, yes, but probably that fall of prices, that will not be a great fall that can trigger a recession. Let me know what you think about central banks creating their own digital currencies. Thank you for watching, guys. Thank you, Joshua, to suggest this video. Subscribe to this channel, leave a like. See you next time. Bye.